Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% during the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Intel said it will launch automotive versions of its newest AI-enabled chips, taking on Qualcomm and Nvidia in the market for semiconductors that can power the brains of future cars. European markets either declined or were stagnant during the weekday of trading on Wednesday, as investors looked to inflation reports due in the US later this week to get a sense of the direction of monetary policy. Apps of as many as 8 crypto exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, MEX and KuCoin, have disappeared from Apple's App Store in India, less than 2 weeks after the firms were flagged for operating illegally in the country.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 05:30 GMT, the US Consumer Price Index at 13:30 GMT, Australia's trade balance at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Australia's imports will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT, Japan's current account at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.